Hello everyone, how are you and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share a special trick with you on how to hide the joining stitch on the shell stitch pattern. I've just made 8 rows of shell stitch for my bigger project, and this one is the last shell stitch for this row. Let me complete this last one. This is made of 5 double crochets. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a slip stitch on the top of this single crochet. Chain up 3, 1, 2, 3. Make 3 more double crochets in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3. This first one is an incomplete shell stitch because this pattern is made of chain 3 and 3 double crochets. Meanwhile, a complete shell stitch is made of 5 double crochet. Okay, now make 1 single crochet on the 3rd double crochet. Then make a complete shell stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make 1 single crochet on the top of the 3rd double crochet. Repeat the complete shell stitch until the end of this row. This is the last shell stitch for this row. It is a complete shell stitch. Now let's make 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make 1 single crochet on the top of the 3rd double crochet. Now let's complete this first shell stitch and hide this joining stitch. Make 1 double crochet in the stitch where the first shell stitch is made. Then don't slip stitch, but make a 2nd double crochet to hide the 3 chain, because the 3 chains does not represent the first double crochet, but it is a joining stitch, so it must be covered by the normal double crochet. Then make a slip stitch on the 3rd double crochet. Have a look. The joining stitch is covered perfectly. Have a look. There is a joining stitch in each of the row, but none of them are visible because these methods cover the joining stitch perfectly. So to continue, make chain 1 and make 1 single crochet on the top of the third double crochet or in the same stitch. However, the first pattern of this row is made of a complete shell stitch, so make 5 double crochet. This one is 3, 4, and 5. Then make 1 single crochet on the top of the third double crochet. For the next row, the first pattern is made of incomplete shell stitch, and you need to complete it after making the last shell stitch. Well everyone, you can try this method and I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. See you again in the next video, and Assalamualaikum.